Hello, my name is Dr. Aseem Srivastav. I'm the Director of Pediatric Cardiac Surgery with Alchemist Hospitals. As a brief background, I was trained in general surgery from King George's Medical University, Lucknow, and I did my MCH in cardiothoracic surgery from GV Pant Hospital, Delhi. I worked for about 4 years in Delhi as a cardiac surgeon, for 2 years with Max Healthcare with Dr. Inderjeet Singh Virdi, and following which I went to the United States. In the US, I was trained for about 1 year with the Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh in congenital heart surgery, and for another year with Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. Children's Hospital of Philadelphia, which is more commonly known as CHOP, is, when I was being trained, the #1 program in congenital heart surgery in America, with Children's Hospital of Pittsburgh being number 11. After 2 years of training in congenital heart surgery, I went to Randy Chitwood, who's the Director of Robotic and Minimal Access Cardiac Surgery with the East Carolina Heart Institute. And for a year I was trained by him in robotic cardiac surgery and minimal access cardiac surgery. The primary reason I went to America was that my wife is a neonatologist now, and I was a cardiac surgeon. But there are not many people who are doing pediatric cardiac surgery. And in her ICU, she would see kids dying of heart disease, and especially dying of heart disease without treatment. So over a couple of years after getting married, we decided that we'll go abroad and train ourselves and to provide care for these sick babies. On my return, I called up Dr. Inderjeet Singh Virdi, and he suggested that I should come to the Tri-City region. The reason being, 3 states, Haryana, Punjab, and Himachal Pradesh. These are very populated states, but with absolutely no treatment options available for kids with heart diseases. So, for example, 8 to 10 kids in every 1,000 kids will have a heart disease. And if you will extrapolate this to a population of 1.2 billion, the population of our country, you can imagine the amount of burden we have with this disease. But all over India, if you'll sum up, I don't believe you'll see more than 10 to 15 centers doing congenital heart surgeries. And these centers, they are so overloaded. For example, PGI Chandigarh, they're doing pediatric cardiac surgery, but they have a waiting list of about 1.5 to 2 years. So what happens is, with no treatment or delayed treatment, I'm forced to say that about 15 to 20% of the kids will die while being on the waiting list every year. And especially with this disease, the window period for the treatment is very narrow. A VSD, for example, a big VSD, it is absolutely essential that the treatment should be done before the age of 1 to 1.5 years, beyond which the disease is inoperable, right? So waiting time, delayed treatment, the window shortens, narrows down. There are other disease processes that need treatment within 1 month of age, or the kid dies or becomes inoperable. There are some that need treatment within 6 months. So the need for this hour is, we should know that these kids have a heart disease, and they should go to the right centers for treatment at the right time. The biggest enemy for these kids today is lack of awareness. The parents don't know that the kids have heart disease. The parents don't know where to go. The physicians don't know where to go and where treatment is available. I hope through this video there'll be a little more awareness. People will know that the treatment is available and where to go. About Alchemist Hospital, this is one of the leading hospitals in the region, in the Tri-City region, with a fantastic infrastructure. Institute of Cardiopulmonary Sciences is headed by Dr. Inderjeet Singh Virdi, who himself is an absolutely amazing cardiac surgeon, and understands, he has a very soft corner for kids with heart diseases, and he is the one who brought me to the region, right? Our division of pediatric cardiology is headed by Dr. Arvind Kaul. Adult cardiology, Dr. Kaul along with Dr. Rohit Parthi, they are doing a fantastic job. They're doing about 80 to 100 angioplasties every month. Adult cardiac surgery, Dr. Virdi, Dr. Rajan Mehra, they do about 30 to 35 open hearts in a month with amazing results. What Dr. Virdi did before I came to India, he made the region's only standalone pediatric cardiac ICU. So now at Alchemist Hospitals, we have a neonatal ICU that is dedicated to treatment of kids under the age of 28 days. We have a pediatric cardiac ICU that takes care of sick kids under the age of 14 years. And then we have another dedicated pediatric cardiac ICU that takes care of kids with congenital heart diseases. With the region's standalone pediatric cardiac ICU, we now have a cardiac service that takes care of anyone with a heart disease, starting from day one of birth to a senior citizen. The neonatal ICU, my wife takes care of the neonatal ICU. She's a neonatologist, Dr. Arun Prasad. He is a pediatrician with years and years of experience and takes care of our outpatients, inpatients, and the pediatric ICU. And me, along with Dr. Kaul, two other pediatric cardiologists, and my wife, we take care of the pediatric cardiac ICU. The results are good, the facility is good. What we lack right now is an awareness. Hopefully, as the awareness spreads, more and more kids will benefit out of this. As an initiative, my management, Dr. Virdi, the hospital, they have tied up with the local regional NGOs like Srishti and Genesis, and they're offering treatment to these poor kids at almost no profit, no loss situation. This is a part of our corporate social responsibility, and hopefully many kids will benefit out of it. Thank you.